Hello, good morning, class. I hope you all are doing good at your home. Today, I'll discuss the topic of data interpretation that is commonly known as DI. Generally, DI seems to be more calculative or difficult, but it is even more scoring because within a single chart, you need to give the answer of 5 questions or 5 problems. So, it is divided into your pie chart, your tabular form. It can also be come into your bar graphs. I'll say DI is a kind of a comprehension which you need to read first of all, then you need to give the answers. So today I'll start with the pie chart, that how pie chart works. So we all know within a pie chart the total central angle is always 360 degree. Central angle means, suppose if I say there is a bar graph, this is 25%, this is 20%, this is 5%, this is suppose 50%. So this is 50, this is 75, this is your 95, this is your 100%. So 100% represent what? 360 degree. This thing must be in my mind. 100% represents what? 360 degree. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. They'll ask me to find the central angle of A. So if 100 represents 360 degree, I need to find the value of A, that is 25% represents what? So if I want it here 25, what I need to do? Divide by 4. If I divide by 4 here, I need to divide by 4 here also. So 25% represents what? 90 degree. So this is how they can ask me the question. I'll share the problems with you. Suppose there is a problem here. Question is, the following pie chart shows the breakup of annual exports of two companies. This is your company A, having raw material, salary, transport, telephone, rent, others in that form of percentage. This is your company B, having raw material, salary, transport, telephone, rent, and others in the form of company B. This is also in the percentage. They are saying the total export is 1 lakh rupees. Total export here is 1 lakh, and here total export is 80,000. This is how they'll give you the problem. So first is, what is the difference between the central angle of salary and transport of company A? So this is the first problem here. So in this question, they just asked me about the company A. So first of all, I need to sum up this. I need to check either this is entire is 100% or not. This is 45, 20, 60, 5, 70, this is 80, this is 90, 94, and 6 is 100%. So I can easily say 100% represent here what? 360 degree. So 1% will represent what? 36 by 10. I need to find the difference between the central angle of salary and transport. Here salary here is this, transport here is this. What is the difference in percentage? That is what? 15%. So the 1% value is this. I need to find the value of 15%. I need to multiply both sides by 15. This is 5 2s are 10, this is 5 3s are 15, this is your 18, and this is what? 54 degree is the difference in the central angle. So this is the favorite question of examiner, to find the central angle, right? Second question, let us come to the second question. The amount spent on transport by company B is what percent of the amount spent by company A on the transport? So whenever you find of or then after percentage, the value will always come in the denominator, right? So here total expenditure is 1 lakh, here total expenditure is what? Your 80,000. So if I find their ratio will become 5:4. So can I say the company is spending rupees 5 or the company B is spending rupees 4, because their ratio is in 5:4. Now they are saying the amount spent on transport by company B. Transport by company B, the total amount they're spending is 4. 5% of 4 I need to write here. I'll write here 5% of 4 divided by, because after off and then we are finding our company A, and of company A. So A में the amount spent is 5, transport is what? 10%. Yani I need to find 10% of 5. For percentage, I need to multiply by 100. This is 5 cancel out, percentage cancel out, 10 simplified here. So this is 40%. That leads to my answer. What I did here, I just find the ratio here. So because this ratio will be same, if I write here 1 lakh by 80,000 here 1 lakh by 80,000, 80,000 by 1 lakh, the ratio will be 4:5. So if in the beginning I find this ratio, so in the coming problem that will be easy for me to give the answers. Suppose I move to the next question. Question is, the expenditure on the raw material for both the companies taken together is what fraction of the total expenditure? Expenditure on what? Raw material. So raw material, if I talk about, this is 45% here, this is 35% here. The 45% expenditure is 5. 45% of 5 plus this is 35% of 5. This is expenditure that did on the export divided by total expenditure is what? Sorry, this is 4. This is 4. Total expenditure is what? 9. So if I solve this, this is 225 plus this is 120 plus 20 is what? 140 divided by 900. This is 200, 300, 365. 365 by 193.75 by 65 by 9, approximately 0.4. That leads to my answer. If I write here 1 lakh, if I write here 80,000, so obviously calculation will be more for me. So if I solve like this, the things will be easy for me if I find the ratio in the beginning. I'll share one more example with you. They are saying the table shows the production of different type of car in thousand. So this is a table. This is company car A, B, C, D in the different years. This is the production shown over there. Question is, if the data E is related in a pie chart, the central angle of the sector representing the data production in 2013 will be what? They are saying if the company E, this E company will be represented in pie chart. Pie chart means their total sum will be equal to what? 360 degree. If I sum up 40, 20, 60, 60, 40, 100, this is 130, this is plus 40 is what? 170. This is 7 and 3 is what? 10. It means 180 represents what? 360 degree. So one part represents what? 2 degree. They are asking me to find the production in 2013. So in 2013 the production is what? 42. So if I multiply here by 42, so this will become 84 degree. So that leads to my what? Answer. Now suppose second question is, what is the ratio of the production of the cars of A in 2014 and C in 2013 taken together to the total production of cars of type B in 2016 and type E in 2015 taken together is what? Options are 12:13, 11:12, 10:11, 12:11. So in this option, this is 12, 11, 10 and 12 is same over there. I'll check for this first. This is B in 2016, E in 2015, B in 2016. So B in 2016 is what? This is B, this is what? 56. And E in 2015, E in 2015, this is your E 2015 what? 35. This is 80, 96 and 5 is 91. So what in the options, the option of multiple of 91 is only 13. So A leads to my answer. No need to check for your first ratio. I hope you are clear with this.